Hello, I want to start with a talk about data science competitions and this meetup format. We can roughly separate work of data scientists to three stages: a task formulation, building a predictive model, and integration to the production system. Competitions only cover modeling part. The only criteria to win is the best metric on the given test set, and the only additional requirement is reproducibility. There are a lot of competition platforms right now. Here are some of them: Kaggle, Driven Data, French datascience.net, Codalab. There are also a lot of competitions with their own dedicated sites. It's interesting that the biggest platform, Kaggle, is lately moving from the purely competitions model. So, what are the most important things why you could participate in such competitions? The first reason, it is the highly competitive and engaging sport, so you can get a lot of fun during competitions. The second reason is that eventually you have a CV with the list of competitions you participated and won. Also, being at the top of Kaggle's rating could help to get visibility. As far as I know, many of the companies take this into account. The next thing is the prize money. Don't have too big expectation on this. Even if you see the prize pool of $25,000, expected prize value for a Kaggle Grandmaster is hardly more than $2,000, and a lot of work needed to win it. The last and, as I see it, the most important reason to participate is experience and knowledge you can get. It is important to say how such competitions influence the world. Some of them direct science community attention to specific problems. Also, they help a lot to generalize approaches used to build predictive models. Ultimately, this leads to algorithms that can automatically generate predictive model given the problem. This is already productized at several companies by data scientists from Kaggle's top. Competitions is a great place to test and develop machine learning tools. Some of the great tools were based on the code written during competitions. Others became popular because of wide competitions usage. Let me talk about Meetup. Two most important activities of the Moscow Meetup are solution sharing and hands-on work. Solution sharing is generally made by authors who finished at top places in the competition. Often, authors also describe other top solutions and analyze their differences. Important part of solution sharing is that you can ask your questions directly to the author. Hands-on work is all about communication and sharing of knowledge and ideas. Most of the competitions prohibit private code sharing, but it's okay to share ideas. It is also a very good place to start if you have a lot of questions and didn't yet get to the point where you can fully enjoy competition. All types of questions are welcome. There is one more thing you can find interesting. For the Moscow Meetup, we list all the active competitions. You can find that list at mltrainings.ru. Also, there are some other relevant information, however, it is in Russian. Thank you. If you have any questions about competitions or meetup format, you can ask them now.